Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using these resources. Today, we're exploring the world of freelance developer platforms, specifically YouTeam.io. My experience with YouTeam has been largely positive, providing a valuable resource for connecting with skilled developers for various projects. It streamlines the often complex process of finding and vetting freelancers, making project initiation smoother and more efficient. One of the key benefits I've found is the platform's focus on pre-vetted talent. This significantly reduces the time and energy spent sifting through countless profiles, ensuring a higher caliber of candidates from the outset. YouTeam handles the initial screening, verifying skills and experience, so you can focus on finding the right fit for your specific needs. Navigating the platform itself is remarkably user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and well-designed, allowing for easy browsing of developer profiles. You can quickly filter by specific skills, experience levels, and even preferred project rates. This granular control empowers you to pinpoint developers who align precisely with your project requirements. Beyond the technical aspects, YouTeam facilitates clear communication between clients and developers. The platform provides tools for direct messaging, project updates, and even integrated payment processing. This centralized hub simplifies project management, keeps everyone informed, and fosters a collaborative environment. While my overall experience with YouTeam has been quite favorable, it's worth noting that, like any platform, it's not without its nuances. Finding the perfect developer still requires careful consideration and communication. It's essential to clearly articulate your project scope, expectations, and desired outcomes. Taking the time to thoroughly review profiles, portfolios, and client testimonials can further enhance your chances of a successful collaboration. Overall, YouTeam.io represents a significant step forward in connecting businesses with qualified freelance developers. The platform's emphasis on pre-vetting, combined with its intuitive interface and communication tools, makes it a valuable resource for anyone seeking skilled developers for their projects. While it's still important to be proactive in the selection process, YouTeam simplifies the search and significantly streamlines the overall hiring experience. I encourage you to check out YouTeam.io for yourself and explore the potential it holds for your development needs. Remember to consult the links in the description for more information.